channel in a bay, you're getting it, you know, you get a lot of weight.
Welcome back to Deadly TV. We've come to see Mick at Pristine Classics, and he's got the 34 all done for us. So we're gonna see it for the first time with you guys. Mick's got the car just behind the shutters. So yeah, Mick, I'm looking forward to it. Yeah, man.
Yep.
I don't know how it's gonna look. Inshallah, it looks wicked. But we've been waiting a good couple of weeks for this, and obviously looking at Mick's other work, he does really good jobs. So let's see behind the shot. Are you ready, Gobbee? Yeah. Oh my God. Oh my God, I can't believe the pearl on it.
Yeah, it's amazing.
Nah, the colours come out really nice. I've seen a lot of different pearls in my time, and certain colours are a bit too, you know, yellowish or pinkish or bluish, but this one just sits really well.
Yeah, this is amazing. It just fits the car, fits the shape. Yeah,
I think
old school pearl white.
It suits it really well. That suits it really well.
Yeah, it's lovely. It came out well. We're happy with this one.
How long did everything take? Like, obviously, I know the prep work. It's all in the prep, isn't it? The
yeah.
Is the quickest part.
I mean, painting with the amount of parts all separately, it's still a week's worth of paint, then a week and a half to 2 weeks of polishing.
Wow,
so
polishing does take
time, with all the tiny little bits, all the bits and pieces. I mean, you know, you saw it when it was in the booth, with all the parts. I mean, the part is an oven full of parts on their own that go with the car. You don't realise when they're all on the car, but it's
actually crazy, the finished product to how we dropped it off and left it with me. But you guys literally turned it around in like 4 weeks.
Yeah.
And at first I was thinking, like, I've seen the restos here and they take months because there's a lot of work. I was like, is he gonna actually do it in like 4 weeks? But that's what everyone says. Everyone says we'll bang it out.
We doubt ourselves sometimes.
But do you know what? It's come out really
and then we
nice,
get in the rhythm and they just flow along.
And obviously now it's slowly looking a bit more like a car. Because when we dropped you off, obviously a few panels were off. And you had a few marks here and there, and you'd done a bit of light welding work around the car.
Yeah, just mine. It was a very, very nice shell, very nice indeed. Just some minor bits.
Let's show you guys the hood. Let's show you guys in the engine bay how Mick's done the work. It's come out.
We redid the factory sealer just to make it a little bit nicer in all the joins and seams, because they're quite big from factory. So, you know, we had to...
Like, even the way, you know how you guys went over the chassis number, it looks like proper OEM.
That's it.
Because I know some people where have had cars painted, them just painted over the chassis number.
Yeah, you can't see it. No, you have to just one coat on that,
really
one coat of lacquer, that's it. So you don't want to hide that. Yeah, we're happy.
But Mick has come out really,
we're really happy.
Good.
Yeah, it's all consistent as well, the way the pearl's laying. So always tricky, pearl white.
Yeah, pearl white is like a really tricky
be
colour.
nodding their head going, yep, pearl white. They remember it from the 90s.
Because whenever I mentioned anyone like I want to paint a car pearl white, straight away I could see the stress in their face. You know?
Yeah, they used to be very yellow. If you had an 80s car or early 90s Audi or something sitting next to the car now, you'd be like, wow, it looks so yellow.
Yeah.
But of course, with the modern technology in paint now, you can get you can mess around with your ground coat to get it a bit pure, you know. So it's a bit.
But do you know what
Anytime you think of pearl white, you think of that pinky background.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
See either pinky or very yellow.
Or very yellow. It looks dirty. Yeah. Like it was dirty. You know.
I like the pinky one.
Yeah.
I like the pinky one.
Obviously, look, some of the cars that Mick like you have in here, they're like cars that you never even see on the road.
No.
You know, and I know you specialize in BMs. But there are other classic cars that obviously like other brands.
Yeah.
And when I saw
BMWs were my thing back in the days, and they still come to me, and I'm thankful for that. But we honestly get excited about something like this coming in because it's away from the norm.
Yeah, and the R34 GTR is such an iconic car from the Fast and the Furious movie. Everyone loves one of the minute, you know. And I'm so happy you guys done a great job, man. But thank you very much.
No worries.
Really
pleasure dealing with you guys.
Brother.
Yeah, we'd love to see the project when it's finished. So.
Right, guys. Before we head off, A quick word from our sponsors, Easy Car Claims.
Dealing with a car accident can be really stressful. That's where Easy Car Claims can help.
Whether you need quick claim processing, safe vehicle storage, or replacement car, Easy Car Claims has everything covered from repairs to personal injury support, and there's no extra fees.
They handle both fault and non-fault claims, including for PCR driving.
The service is available all over the UK.
So if you're ever in an accident, go to easycarclaims.co.uk, follow the simple steps, and let them take care of everything. Your accident is their priority.
Right guys, let's get back to the video.
Yeah, so guys, you've already seen how Mick's done the 34. We've got a few lovely examples here of a few classic cars. So Mick will talk us through what he's done,
Yeah.
and what they are.
It's a 1981 E12 M535. 1 year production on these only. I'm not sure the exact numbers, about 1,200, something like that, so not that many made, especially in right-hand drive.
Oh, nice. And what have you guys done to it?
Total nut and bolt restoration. A
So this
complete
car's
nut
had
and
a
bolt
full
restoration.
nut and
Yeah,
bolt
absolutely. It took us 4 years
Oh, wow.
because of trying to find the parts, because the parts for these are impossible
Super
to
rare,
find.
yeah?
Oh, they're super rare.
I'm guessing they'll come from all over the world.
All over the world, absolutely, yeah. Yeah, we had these front grills from Australia with the chrome round them, and anyone that knows these cars knows you cannot buy this chrome at all.
Wow.
We've got a
Looks proper
W.
gangster, man.
Yeah,
Like, it looks
it's
like
quick. I
proper
mean, they're
tough.
230 horsepower, I think,
So
for
is
your
it-
time,
oh,
Miss Ricky.
So it will start from here, from this side.
End, other end.
So right now, guys, when we're looking at like a newish car,
Yeah.
the reg starts from this side.
That's it.
Back in the days, actually, it started
That's
from the
it,
other side.
W,
That's why I was
1981.
looking at Elridge.
Yeah.
That's only 94, but this
On
is
my era.
Wow, that's old.
Just about.
This is the
Omar's
uncle,
car, of course.
the uncle that you guys would have seen in the previous episode, that he was getting work done at Mick's place.
It didn't
now,
have no stickers on it then.
yeah.
Oh
now-
no, it didn't. No, it didn't have the
Yeah,
straw. We were
yeah.
waiting for the stripes to come in. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. But it's completely done. He's away at the moment in Turkey. When he's back, he's going to come and take it.
He's
So
gonna love it.
yeah, we've been running it around. It's the new electric steering and it's modern air conditioning. It's actually
Now,
a
this
pleasure
looks
to
stunning,
drive.
Mick, man. Wow, this is actually
Yeah,
really
it drives
nice.
lovely.
So now it's completely finished.
Totally finished.
What's this
Another
thing here?
E21 323R. My customers had that for
This looks
27,
like a
28
proper track
years.
car or
Yeah, it
something,
is.
yeah.
Yeah, I've maintained this car for over 20 years myself,
wow.
and we were out on track recently in it, so he had a little bit of an off
Yeah.
and did some gravel rash on it. So we dealt with that. Yeah, on the same day I was there in my car.
Okay, so wait, so the day we went on a track.
Yeah, on that day. Yeah. Sort of. It's a M20 2.5, so only just over 200 horsepower, but it only weighs about 900 kilos on throttle bodies. Shall I show you quickly in the bay? It's pretty in the bay. Uses it in anger.
Oh wow.
Yeah, and it's on the Dibley's throttle body's high lift cam. So I did he leaves me to do whatever I want on it. So I smoothed the bay out for him and I made it look like a show car, but he uses his thing in anger.
You're always surprising us, man.
Yeah.
Like, I did
It's
not
like it
expect-
underneath. It's all shiny and lovely
I
underneath.
did not
because-
expect it to be like this.
Yeah.
under the-
That's the engine you'd expect in a show car.
Yeah.
Not something someone's taking
On
on track.
track.
And when you see Ivan, who owns it, how he drives it, man, he power slides it every. You never see anything like it. You never see
drives
the car.
the wheels
And then
off.
when people look at it, they're like, wow.
Yeah, no, this looks stunning.
It's actually easier to maintain it though, like that. When it's clean, you can see any leaks. It's easier to maintain. You smoothing it out, getting rid of all the stuff that's not needed.
Mick, this is a special one you mentioned.
Yeah, that's number one of a 20 run CCC 75. It's called. It's a Cooper car company under license of the Cooper family. And
So it's called an Austin Cooper, yeah?
yes, it's a Cooper S.
So it's an F reg, or is it a C reg? Has it
It's,
start from the
this
other
one
side?
is a 1980. It's a C reg. So that'll be an 65.
1960.
64. Oh god, I go.
Okay, but in the
63, 65.
Wow.
Yeah, 60s. Yeah.
Wow, is that old?
Yeah.
Oh my
Mark 1
God.
Cooper
And
S.
you said this is one of 20.
Yes, a 1071 Cooper S that was made under license with the Cooper Car Company.
Yeah.
So this is number one. There was a prototype. This is number one. I think there was maybe eight made total out of 20.
What sort of value has this sort of car got right now?
Sort of, they're about 120 plus the
grand.
VAT, yeah, to buy. So yeah,
Damn.
fair.
120
Yeah.
grand on a Mini, you know. But
Yeah.
you know, I guess the true enthusiasts who love these sort of cars,
They love them, twin tank,
Yeah.
proper Cooper S.
they will
yeah.
obviously pay that sort of money for something.
Yeah,
that they
it's
love,
real
innit, you know?
collectible. It's really it's iconic.
Proper Cooper S.
Oh, Cooper, yeah, 1071 Cooper. So it's two fuel tanks. For long range for the rallying originally. I think
wicked,
it was for the rallies, long range racing. So yeah.
Nah, that's wicked. That age, and obviously I know. Have you guys like restored this one? Or
Yeah, total built from a floor plan up.
Oh, you painted this car
Yeah,
yourself?
this one I did myself. Yeah, a few years ago. Yeah, I used to be on the tools.
You got your M3 there as well?
Yeah, E90 M3. Yeah, now to the point I can't use it because I've gone over the top with restoring the car. Yeah, and I found this. It was a one-owner car in fantastic condition, but it had sat in a greenhouse, so the colour had gone. It faded. So we stripped it to a bare shell, and
you painted it.
Built it again. The whole car.
Even the way the wheels are sitting on the back, the way it's cambered in, it looks so like tough.
Yeah,
you know?
yeah.
I've seen how you like your cars. They're like OEM plus.
That's
you know?
it. Just a little touch.
Yeah, just a bit, not over the top.
Yeah,
you know.
That's it.
But it looks really nice the way it's just sitting.
I think I put a Scorpion on it.
This is the other 535.
Yeah, that's the one we bought from a barn find one. That one.
So you found this on a barn find?
Find, yeah, but although there's some bits missing at the moment, we've taken off, but it's complete. It's got all the motorsport front chin, the dogleg gearbox, the Recaros, the M1 steering wheel. Limit slip diff, all the correct bits for it, yeah.
Look at the last time the road tax was done in 1991.
Yeah.
We weren't even born then. You know, look, 1991.
Makes me feel old. I was born in 77.
30th of the 11th.
Yeah. No. You guys don't even remember then having road taxis in the window, do you? I can't remember.
I think it stopped in like mid 2000. 2013, 14 days.
Yeah, right.
So 10 years ago.
And then 1600.
You said there's only 1600 of these
1600,
ever made.
1600s, yeah, that's it. Left-hand drive only, and not for our market, so hardly any left now. So we've got two of those actually. We personally own two of those, so and we're going to restore those.
We've got a special one here, guys. Yeah, a very special one. You definitely don't see one of these every day.
No. Yeah, it's a 1974.
I think we had a little glimpse of this when it was on the ramp.
I'll put a new one on it, Ricky.
So we had a glimpse of this one.
Oh yeah. Yeah, GTS, so the roof panel comes out, right-hand drive.
What year is this, Mick?
74.
These are the cars that people are driving. Obviously not everyone, but the shape of the cars that people were driving in 1970s. It just looks so cool, man.
I know.
Yeah, 100%.
Yeah, they're amazing
the
things.
cars now, everything's used like commercial use.
Yeah.
But these are people's toys.
Very mechanical. You know, you've got the H-gate gearbox. You've got to really think about driving that. Especially, they go. I mean, on a 150, 911, 3-litre SC, that one.
Yeah.
1978.
What, they only came with one side mirror? That was the style,
That's it. Left-hand drive, one side mirror. Yeah, you have an optional extra for one on the other side. Honestly, the Minis, the first. Oh, there you go. See, they have no mirrors.
So this one has no mirrors.
They have no mirrors. It's an option if you wanted mirrors on that.
But yeah, it's only got one side mirror on it.
Jensen Interceptor with the big 5.9 litre, I think they were.
What year is
Chrysler V8 in that.
Do you know which game this was in? The Getaway Black Monday. This car was in that game. What's this one, Mick?
Again, 1976 Alfa Romeo Montreal. It's a rare old beast that.
I think this one was on the ramp last time.
Yeah, it's got a little 2.6, I think Ferrari design V8 in them. I think. Yeah, unusual in right-hand drive as well. So very hard car to restore.
Oh, nice.
Why is that?
Just parts availability. E-Type, flat floor E-Type, roadster, I believe they call it.
You had a Jaguar E-Type hidden away here the whole time.
I know, look. I forgot it was there. Sorry.
I don't think people will understand how long this bonnet is.
You should try and paint one.
I think it's the longest bonnet I've ever seen. It's almost half the car.
I wonder if I can get the catch.
Was there a catch in a
I wonder if I can get the catch.
It's the first time I've seen one in front of my leg.
Yeah, that's it.
Oh my God.
Yeah, that's what you call an engine,
You want to
guys.
have a look at this engine?
Yeah, big. Like an aero engine from an aeroplane back in the days, yeah. It's very, very hard to do.
It's a straight six?
Yeah, this is straight six, this one, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah.
So is this
Straight
one like a
six.
personal project or a customer's?
Customers.
Customers,
Yeah,
yeah.
customers.
And I'm guessing he's having the full works, like
Yeah,
nut
full
and
works.
bolts.
Yeah. We're just waiting on some interior bits to come now, and then we're doing a full bespoke trim interior and hood.
This is how it is, yeah. Skeleton frame.
That's
with
it.
The whole piece that sits on top.
Yeah. Yeah, very hard car to restore.
That's crazy, man.
A lot of people do them, but you got to do it to the right level. So with all the right bits.
Wow.
Yeah,
It's the
interesting.
first time I'm seeing a Jaguar E-Type.
Same it's my first
Yeah, and
time
it's a
as
flat
well.
floor. So this is the rare one where it's flat. Now they step down to give you a bit more leg
Mick, is
room.
it
I
meant
think
to be
keep
like
your
that?
feet
The
down
bonnet-
lower, but this is the early first
Yeah.
generation. The collectible. These are the ones that people restore. Flat floor, you know.
Mick, so you know when the bonnet comes down, it
Yeah.
literally looks like it's touching the ground. Like, you know, the extension on the
Yeah, it
the
just
chrome
almost
extensions on the
kisses
front.
it. They have little
trim.
rubbers on the
Yeah.
end of the,
Okay,
just in case.
Grooves as well.
Yeah, that's right. Knockoffs, yeah, on-offs, yeah, with the big mallets, thump 'em.
Yeah.
There's no torque wrench. You just hit them round till they stop, and that's your torque.
Yeah.
So
Wow.
Right guys, as you can see we've gone for a pearlescent white. A car of this value, it was probably best that we kept it the original color code. If you guys haven't already, please make sure you like, subscribe and comment. We've got a lot more videos like this to come. Mick's place is full of classic cars and we could probably be here recording them all day. But we need to get this beast over to Ron's at RK Tuning, so let's get it loaded.
How long is it? How far are you going? Ron, where are we going?
Come and see your latest project.
What's happening, mate?
We're back. We're back a couple of weeks later. The beast is fully painted. Have a look at it, Jim. I know you've seen a lot of. Okay, no, I think the cable tied it down, innit? Yeah. So we'll cut the cable tie, but. Nice, isn't it? Yeah, no, that's the original colour of the car. So it is actually pearl white, yeah, from the factory.
Was it?
Yeah. Yeah, he actually had that colour code.
Very nice.
What do you think?
Good.
Huh? We need you and your dad to keep it like this.
Nah, it was just normal.
Gloves, mitts,
Pearlish white.
whatever
come
you
in
want
the
to
late,
use.
Year model, so like 2001 and that.
Oh, so this is 2001?
Yeah, 2001. So yeah. That's it. Finally.
So by the end of today, engine in.
Do you see anything wrong here? No.
We got no windows, do we?
By the end of tomorrow, we'll be driving. But yeah.
We're gonna go Santa Pod on the weekend, innit? So, you want it?
Want to do 9 seconds by next Wednesday.
So yeah, man. I think yeah.
A couple of you under the bonnet, now like that, like that, like that.
You know I'm gonna cut and clip that a few times.
We are now on the final stretch, guys. The paint process is all complete. A massive thanks to Pristine Classic Cars for all the hard work. Now it's down to RK Tuning to carry out all the mechanical work.
At this point we're about halfway through the project, but we still have a few more goodies and surprises for you guys. So make sure you stay tuned and stay ready.